Hi everyone, Bea here. Today we are going to uncover the secret on how to have an endless supply of lettuce during your growing and eating season. Have you ever heard the expression, everything old is new again? In gardening, this term is known as cut and come again. It is a harvesting technique where the older outer leaves are cut and the center of the plant is left to continue sending out new leaves. This technique can be applied to a wide variety of leafy vegetables, especially those that produce leaves in a circular form, also known as rosette. This type of plants have new leaves that grow from the center and the older leaves on the outer edges. Kale, collards, chard, Chinese cabbage, spinach, and all varieties of lettuce are just some of the vegetables that falls under come again choices. Harvesting the oldest leaves while they are still young is the key to keeping your cut and come again plants going. Rather than waiting until they reach full maturity, begin picking them when they are only 3 to 4 inches tall. You can do this by cleaning and sterilizing your scissors, then cutting just the leaves you need for one meal at a time. Work your way from the outside edge of the plant, up and in toward the center, never removing more than 2/3 of the leaves of the plant at a time. Your plants need to retain 1/3 of their foliage so they can continue feeding themselves through the process of photosynthesis. Through this harvesting technique, the money you will save on produce will be worth the time you spend waiting for crops to become established. If you have enough garden space to use for a large edible garden, and you take advantage of both succession planting and cut and come again crops, you will always be well stocked with a large variety of healthy, fresh, homegrown food, especially leafy greens and flavorful herbs. However, know that the day will come that your lettuce and other leafy greens will be exhausted from the effort of continually growing, but you should get at least a few months of harvest before that happens. You will know when it is time to plant another batch of seeds when your plants have stopped producing new leaves or has become bitter. And that's it for today. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts and join our vibrant community of growers by clicking on the link in the description section below. You can also check out our website at www.foodforest.club for more updates and info about our upcoming works and projects. This is Bea, your guide in this urban gardening adventure. Thank you for being with me in this journey and see you in the next and last video for this series. Bye!